off, and we're going to have to move them again. We're checking with New Wells to see about trying to send them somewhere else. 821 Mulberry Yard. We got 816 coming that way. And effective 1046, 1046 SGT.
Pulling here?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
He knows where you're coming from.
Wow.
No, keep going.
Down the yard now. Back that first authority, if you see it, they're here. He said you can come on in and go to 5. Catcher that 0821